Hey Capstone students, it is May 31st and I just wanted to take a quick run through Blackboard for this week just to provide you with a little bit of focus on where you could be at, should be at, might be at. Remember, this is self-paced. However, it's important to hit the ground running. Otherwise, you might find yourself working hard at the end of the semester, which is not what you want with school starting up again for most of you. So benchmark 1 was the proposal. And at this point, I am just waiting on, I believe, 2 proposals. I just want to point out here, I sent out an email about this past weekend. When you watch the videos, and there are 3 parts to it, you have to make sure that you click Mark as Viewed. And so please do that. It's below the video, and you just want to click Mark as Viewed. And there would be 3 of those. And then down here is the required Write Online module. You click on it and you go through it, and you have to mark as viewed. These 2 are super important. I will be giving you a point for them, but I'm telling you they are your textbook. When you start to have questions about the lit review, or you turn something in and I return it to you, I will be able to tell that you have not really focused on the information in there. So, and I'll send you back to the resource. And in order to avoid that, go ahead and really take the time to do it up front. Awesome. Okay, benchmark 2. I think I have maybe approved 4 action plans so far. So remember, you're going to create your action plan. The IRB approval is only action research projects. I'm not sure why I'm getting IRB approval documents for lit reviews. We tried to be so, just clear, but I'm sorry if it's not. You do not have to request IRB approval for a literature review. For the action research projects, you have to either be a full application or basically the exemption application, and you have to carefully read to determine whether or not you are one or the other. And that's something that you learned in research methods, so I feel pretty confident that you understand that process. You get those to me first, as it says here, and then I send it on to the IRB. The next big assignment, which I received 2 of them, I'm very excited to look at this week, are the annotated bibliographies first half. You have to submit at least 50% of your sources. So that means those with a literature review have to submit 15 sources. Those with a school improvement or action research project will submit 10 sources. They must be fully annotated. I will submit them back to you with feedback, and you will correct them, and you will not move forward from this point until that is approved. The reason being, your annotated bibliography is where you are taking the notes on your sources, and a very strong, powerful, well done, rich annotated bibliography will save you hours of time later. I don't expect anybody to be beyond that at this point. However, let me just make note of benchmark 3. So once you have moved past the annotated bibliography, you have completed your videos and your modules, you will start to work on your introduction. And in this same benchmark is your 1 section only of your literature review. Remember, these are not modules by the week. Your introduction could take you 3 or 4 weeks of back and forth, depending on how you do with it, how quick you return work, all of those issues. Your literature review 1 section only, you may not move past 1 section until that is approved. Now, that doesn't mean you can't write. However, my suggestion is you don't, that you wait until you have an approved section, because once you have a section and it makes sense to you how you did it and you see kind of the pattern of how it works, the rest of them seem really, really much easier. And then you'll turn in your second half. So here is the link to the entire literature review draft. It just sits there, but you would only be submitting it there when you're ready. We ask that you submit 1 section only first, so that you are not writing and writing and writing and then it's actually incorrect. So I hope that that is helpful. Please remember that we have um, a fun Padlet that you can enter into at any point. Right now we are posting our favorite song that gives us joy, a prayer request or a praise, a meme that made you giggle, and then your topic and your project type. And as you can see, we have some students who have posted, so it's really fun. I hope that you'll be able to do that as a way to have fellowship. I'm here for you. I'm grateful to be your instructor. Please let me know if you need anything, and have a wonderful Memorial Day.